This short video will demonstrate how Stage 2 of the portfolio application works, so you know what you will be learning in the Intermediate Learning Resource, which builds on from the Portfolio Stage 1 in the Quick Start Guide. In the portfolio application, you will be able to drill down from a portfolio record. Once you select a record, this down button will be available. And you can see how Fi filters the data. Only the data related to the selected record will be available. Once we have drilled down, we are positioned on the Portfolio Analysis view, which holds two pie charts showing us our ownership grouped by sectors and grouped by stocks. If we click on a slice of the sector chart, we are navigated to a data view where we can see all the stocks that are in the sector. And we can return to the chart by clicking this Back to Chart button. The Current Stock Holding menu shows all the stock we currently hold and the investment we have in each stock. The Buyers menu enables us to purchase stock. Through the tutorial, you will learn how to add calculations. As you can see here, once the buy transaction is filled out, the total field will automatically be calculated for us. The Buyers form has a cell allocations page. This enables us to see how many shares from this buy transaction we have sold. And lastly, the Cells menu enables us to sell our shares. The Cells form uses metadata to only display the stock we own. It also has several validations attached, such as ensuring we can't sell more than we own. You will learn how to create validations and use metadata through the tutorial. And of course, we can allocate stock for the sale. Now that you have an understanding of how we are going to extend the portfolio application, you can follow the detailed tutorial in our online help.